So these are original field roast grain meat company. I got these at Stater Brothers for about $5.50. They weren't on sale. And these are smoked apple sage. Now I'm using it this time, these are a sausage. I'm using it this time as a hot dog. I've tried a lot of these different ones. You probably have seen some of them. Some work out, some don't. Some have this like a soy aftertaste. Well, I've tried this in a few different things, and these are absolutely incredibly delicious.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Step 1. Cut your link. 2. Put it back in the bag, because I'll be using this for another meal. And put your ingredients. Let's see. I didn't go through that. It says here, smoked apple sage with Yukon Gold potatoes, apples, and russet sage, or rubbed sage. The net weight is 0.95 ounces, or 368 grams. Let's see here. It says peel casing before cooking, because this is a plastic casing on top of here. You don't want to eat the plastic casing. Avoid overcooking. Now, this is already cooked. All you're doing is warming this up. Calories are 220, fat grams 70. The total fat is 8 grams, saturated fat is 0.5, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 560 milligrams. That's a little high, 23% of your daily input. Total grams is total carbohydrate is 16 grams, dietary fiber 0, sugar is 4, protein 23. And let's see. The ingredients are filtered water, vital wheat gluten, expeller pressed safflower oil, unsulfured dried apples, Yukon Gold potatoes, yeast extract, onion powder, barley, malt, garlic, spices, sea salt, yeast, rubbed sage, and natural liquid smoke flavor. Alright, so that's basically it. And we're going to grill it in the cast iron pan, just like this. And then we picked up some breads at the grocery store. These are individual little hot dog breads, and we're going to have a romaine side salad, because we do have to stay healthy and eat better. Okay, so that's our lunch. Come and see how we put it together. Take your frying pan and put it on your stove. Though this has been pre-seasoned, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil so it makes it easier. Now watch. I'm going to turn on the heat to high. Then I'm going to add a very small amount of organic extra virgin olive oil. Just happens to be that I like it. I get this from Sam's Club. Like almost nothing. I'm going to use my oil brush. Quickly put it on the bottom of the pan like this. And it's going to get hot. When it's hot, that's when you put this on. Now I'm going to show you how you take this off. So you have your roll, you take the ends off on both sides. So you have these two little pieces. Make sure that you put those in the trash, especially the one with the metal your dog doesn't get to. And then grab your scissors and go on the inside of the sausage link. Just takes a little bit of time. You might end up cutting the sausage a little bit, and that's not a big deal. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do that's different is I'm going to cut this in half. There's no skin on this. This is like a mold. Use some kind of mat. This is like a... Then take your new sausage. Find yourself just a knife. I'm going to use my $2 knife that I got at the dollar store. And just kind of press it in there. See how it's the width of the sausage. Now what I'm going to do different is I'm going to first go back and forth like this and cook it. Now the hot dog breads. These are nice and fresh. I'm just going to take one of them. Take the air out of it. Put them back in your fridge so they stay nice and fresh. Today I'm going to have 2 condiments. I'm also going to use 100% natural French. Now I looked this up on the PETA site, and it is not listed as being vegan. I'm using it up because that's what I have. I also have Heinz tomato ketchup. This is also not listed on the vegan site. It's got 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, no cholesterol, 160 milligrams of sodium, that's 77% of your daily average, 5 grams total carbohydrate, no fiber, 4 sugars, and no protein. I buy these in giant containers at Sam's Club. It just makes, like you can see, this is a 3-pack. It just works out better. did I do? Okay, so here I'm going to open up my bun here. Oh, the pan's ready. Watch this. Now you can tell this pan's ready because it's smoking. This is how you know it's ready. When it does that, it's ready. Take your heat down to 5, medium. You don't need a high heat anymore. You've already warmed up your pan. Take your 2 sausages and put them inside. They should make a little noise. And because it's a cast iron pan, you need to use metal utensils. You're not going to leave in here very long, because what's going to happen is it's going to burn. You're just leaving it long enough so you can warm it up. That's why you have to reduce the heat. The bread now. Go back to your bun, put yourself a plate, and open your bun up. And I'm going to put my non-vegan ketchup inside of my bread.
Hey, it's nice in here.
Thanks, love. That's my sweetheart. And I'm going to use my non-vegan yellow mustard in my hot dog bun. Okay, so you see this long stripe over here? That's because the pan was too hot when I put it in. But now the pan's at the right temperature. So what we're going to do is, this side's basically done. We're just going to wait maybe 30 seconds. And this vegan hot dog will be finished. Alright, we're going to put this to the side so I can prepare my salad. And one thing is, when you're vegan, you eat lots of salads. Just better be prepared for it. This is a huge romaine that I got from Sam's Club. Alright, so the hot dog's finished, and what we've done is we've turned off the heat. You see the buttons are all facing forward. Alright, so now the next step is to put the hot dog into the hot dog bun. Using my new mitt, yes, that eventually will be me running around the kitchen. Pick up your pan and your plate. And this is cast iron, so you have to have a mitt on it. And just pour it on the plate, and you're going to come back and fix that. Put your cast iron pan away from the burner it was on. You can lay this sideways. Sometimes it's a nice thing to do is to lace it a little bit with mustard like that. And then when you put the other one, it has like a built-in little roll here. And then what we can do is we're going to put some more tomato sauce on top of it. So the dog is finished. We got our salad. We're going to put it right over here. And then we're going to put a tomato on it. These are fresh off the vine tomatoes. And just to make it interesting, we're going to put in fresh green peppers. Okay, we're going to cheat again today. We're going to put a little bit of this Members Mark, that means it was bought at Sam's Club, white balsamic vinaigrette with a hint of citrus and basil. So you shake it, and then you just pour a little bit on each side. You don't have to go crazy with it. Goes a long way, has a nice little flavor. Something like that, 2-3 tablespoons. But basically, 2 tablespoons is 60 calories. Well, that's my lunch today. Thanks very much for watching me, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Alright, so I just want to show you real quick how delicious this is. And this is a really good sausage with no soy aftertaste.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.